Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on Emergency Action Plan. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. In this lesson, we'll cover why an emergency action plan is needed, what constitutes a workplace emergency, what your plan must include, and some helpful points to remember in the event of a workplace emergency or disaster. The purpose of an Emergency Action Plan, EAP, is to create an organized procedure for employees and employers to follow in response to a workplace emergency or disaster. A well-developed plan, along with proper training, will prepare employees for the ability to evacuate an area quickly and safely, resulting in fewer and less severe injuries. OSHA requires a written emergency evacuation plan for every company, and it must be kept available in the workplace for employees to review. It is important to learn the emergency evacuation procedure for your immediate work area, as well as other areas in the workplace that you may be in if an emergency occurs. As we continue, take note of how you can be better prepared for a workplace emergency. There are some basic required elements that an emergency action plan must include at a minimum. As you listen to this list, think of what your plan may have and what else may need to be included for the future. Procedures for reporting a fire or other emergency. Procedures for emergency evacuation, including exit route assignments. Procedures to be followed by employees who remain behind to perform critical plant actions before they evacuate, such as operating fire extinguishers.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.